Instagram now allows users to create an avatar to represent their likeness. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to make your own Instagram avatar. Now let's get started. To begin making your Instagram avatar, open the app and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Tap Settings. Select Account. Then tap Avatars. Tap Get Started. Now you can begin customizing your avatar. First, select a skin tone. Now you can pick a hairstyle. Tap a style to apply it. Tap the palette icon to choose a hair color. There are lots of different natural and rainbow colors to pick from. The next step is to choose a face shape. Add facial markings like freckles. Then you can add facial lines if you like. Next, you can choose your avatar's eye shape, eye color, and add makeup. Choose an eyebrow shape and color. You can also add a bindi here. Next, you can add eyewear and customize the color of the eyewear you've chosen. Now pick a nose shape and add any nose piercings. Select a mouth shape and lip color. Next, you can add facial hair. Pick a body type. Then you can choose an outfit for your avatar. Add headwear and choose a color for your chosen headwear. The last customization options are ear piercings and hearing devices. When you're all finished customizing your avatar, tap Done. Then tap Save Changes. Now you're all set to start using your avatar. In Stories, use the avatar sticker options to share fun stickers featuring your personalized avatar. That's all it takes to make your own Instagram avatar. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.